We're here in Collegetown Plaza to take a look at the one-bedroom apartment 5E. Let's go on in. I really like this apartment. It has a great amount of space in here. You can see we have the dining table set up over on our left as we enter. This living room is really large, and we have the seating areas. There's a sofa, a table, a side table, an easy chair over here. The TV does come in the apartment. There's an air conditioner here in this living room window. This window faces to the east. We'll go on over so you can take a look out there. So we're overlooking the upper Dryden parking lot. We can see College Avenue up there across from us. That is Collegetown Center, that other red building over there. So that's an east-facing view here in the apartment. So great morning light. Look at all this room here in this living room space. You could certainly bring in some of your own extra furniture. Let's go take a look at the kitchen. I like this kitchen with the L shape. That's really unique we don't have that in a lot of apartments here in the building. So this is a unique kitchen here for Collegetown Plaza. You can see we've got the refrigerator, there's the stove, oven, the microwave, and this apartment does have a dishwasher over the sink. We have ample cabinet space for one person and also a couple of drawers in here as well. The bathroom is right over here across from the kitchen, so let's take a look in there. It's very similar to the kitchens we've seen elsewhere here in Collegetown Plaza. So we have that tub shower with a sliding door. There's the vanity that does open up underneath for more storage, the toilet, there are towel bars, and there's another small cabinet on the wall, that one with a mirror on it. That's there for some small bathroom item storage. And again, let's go through this large living room space. We're going to go across into the bedroom. You can see the entrance door is on the right. Here's the bedroom door. So this is what makes a studio different from a one-bedroom apartment. A one-bedroom is larger, and it does have that separate bedroom that closes off with its own door. So you can see the furnishings. We've got the desk and chair. There's the dresser. There's a bookshelf. You may move the furniture around however you like within the apartment. We've got the full-size bed over here, and this is another east-facing window over there, another to the east. And let's take a look. This one has two closets, which I think is nice. You've got extra storage space here. So this whole back end of the bedroom is storage space. We've got shelves and hanging space. So that's a look at the closet areas in here in apartment 5E. Collegetown Plaza is located at 111 Dryden Road. We're on the 5th floor. That's one floor up from the lobby level. You enter on floor 4. You'll come up one floor to floor 5 for this apartment. So we're one floor above the ground level. We're located at 111 Dryden Road. We are half a block from the intersection of College Ave and Dryden Road, which is, of course, just one block to campus here in central Collegetown at Collegetown Plaza in apartment 5E, the one-bedroom apartment.